Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make wavy line in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer. Use pen tool or shape tool. Example, I use shape tool. Stroke up, fill, shape. Then example, create a line. Go to filter tab, distort, and find wow, rasterize. Follow this icon or around. Repeat its pixel. Shine triangle square. Select your example. I use shine. Then number of generators 5. Up down. Follow this icon. Warp length. Amplitude. Scale. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.